weekend here at my college. I'll be home for the summer, and next semester I'll be studying abroad. So I needed somewhere to store all my stuff until I come back to school.
At first, we talked about renting a U-Haul truck and driving all of Laurel's stuff back home. But we don't really have room in our garage, and then in 9 months, when she's done studying abroad, I just have to rent a truck, load it all up, and drive it back again. So when Laura found out about U-Box, well, it just made a lot of sense.
I read all the reviews, compared all the products and all the prices, and the U-Box system came out on top. It's super convenient because I can park it in any regular parking spot here on campus, so it's super easy to take stuff to and from my dorm. The little license plate makes a big difference. It allows you to park in any legal parking spot, even in the city center. Pods can't do that. I have friends in New York, Chicago, San Francisco. They all live in apartments, and the only way they can have a storage container on the street is on a trailer. So they all use the U-Box system to store or move their stuff. It was super easy to get the container here too. My dad stopped by our neighborhood U-Haul store, attached the U-Box trailer to his car, and he was back here in no time. Even I could have done it.
For us do-it-yourself types, it was really easy to get the U-Box container here. And when it's all packed up, we just drive it back to U-Haul.
With U-Box, I definitely made the right move.
We have to admit it.
She really did.